Dhum dhum dhagire.
Namaste. Welcome. This is Yogi Shivananda from India. Today we are going to discuss about the suffering in modern life through cause, illusions, and liberation. Dear friends, let me begin with a simple but powerful question. Is life truly difficult, or are we making it difficult? This is the main topic today we are going to discuss. Before diving into that, we can do a little prayer of our Guru. Om Namah Paramarishibhyom Namah Paramarishibhyam Hari Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahmam Dasmai Sri Guru Murtaye Nimaidam Sri Dakshinamurtaye Om Shivaya Namah. Today, everywhere we look, stress, anxiety, pressure, emotional pain. People say life is hard, but pause for the moment. Is life is really problem, or is our way to experiencing life the problem? What are the outer problems of modern life? Let's see. Let us first look at where we call problems: work pressures, financial worries, relationship conflicts, health concern, social expectations. These seems very real, but here is a deeper question for you. Do people without these problems live in complete peace? No. Some people have everything, yet they suffer. So, what does that tells us? The problem is not outside. The real cause of suffering is from the spiritual perspective. Events do not create suffering. Our interpretation of events creates suffering. For example, the same situation, one person suffering deeply, another one remains calm. Situations are same, the mind is different. Deep truth is life is not painful. The mind make it painful. How to mind creates suffering? The mind lives in three dimensions. One is the past. Always we think about the past with regrets, guilt, and painful memories. This creates depression. We think about the future, the second dimension. We feel about the future through fear, uncertainty, anxiety. It creates stress. The third dimension is the present. Only here there is peace. The powerful insight is past is equal to pain, future is equal to fear, present is equal to peace. Next is attachment, the root of suffering. The deepest cause of suffering is attachment. We are attached to people, things, ideas, identity. The core truth is when you hold, you suffer. When you let go, you are free. For example, you have something, happiness. You lost it, suffering. Why? Not because of the object, but because of the attachment on the object. Identity crests. Who are you? Most people think I am my job, I am my status, I am my relationship, but all these are changing. It will change. So, who are you really? The spiritual deepest question is who am I? For this question, we can see some spiritual solutions. First one is awareness. Observe your thoughts. Don't react immediately. Just watch. Next one is acceptance. This is what is happening. That was not happen for you will get stress. That is not happen because you will be happy. That was happen on that natural way. Just we have to accept us as it is. That acceptance is not a weakness, it's a clarity. We have to let go something, the let go of past expectations, fears. Then the fourth one is self inquiry. Who am I? This is the ultimate path. The deep truth to understand you are not life. You are one of experiencing life. The world is not a problem. Attachment is the mind is the problem. Don't try to control life. Don't try to control life. Understand life. Don't try to change everything. Change your perceptions. Peace is not something you create. It is something you discover when the mind becomes silent. Hope you people do the practices and the way of thinking you will go to change. Just share your experience through these words. Thank you for watching. Om Shivaya Namah.